Well, I found out that the motor works, and it actually is quite easy to connect it. It is obvious where to plug each plug, so probably a 4-year-old could do it. I'm annoyed though that there is an UK plug for it, but I found another plug and I will change this once I install the motor. The lovely thing is this is absolutely quiet compared to the old clutch motor that I have. So the next step for me is to find some tools and dismantle the old motor in a way that if anything goes wrong I can put it on again, which I would actually hate. But we'll see how that is going to work out. I have, as I said before, I have absolutely no clue what I am doing, but we will find this out. So let's get to it.